someone downstairs?
I don't know. It's not in the shoes.
No, listen. Can you hear running?
Running?
How can you? How can you, like, running feet?
Your is better than mine now.
I just feel like it's down either down there or downstairs.